Hello guys, welcome to our another new video. Today I want to discuss, how does AI impact the real estate industry? The real estate industry is embracing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, which has implications for commercial and residential real estate. AI in real estate will simplify property searches, make property valuations more accurate, and predict market trends. Property management will become more efficient, and tenants will enjoy a better experience. Overall, AI will increase efficiency and improve the real estate industry. 5 key reasons AI will change the real estate industry. Let's find out. 1. Predictive analytics. The most common and practical usage of AI in real estate is in predictive analytics. Especially when investing in commercial real estate, investors, agencies and economists use AI to predict where the real estate market is headed, hoping to gain an edge over the competition and buy at the right price. 2. 3D modeling. 3D modeling visual representation has become increasingly important in real estate, and it's one of many industries taking advantage of digital twins, or AI-based computer images that allow users to explore a space digitally. 3. Smart home devices. Using home devices, AI helps devices learn user preferences and adjust settings as needed. They can save money on utilities, improve tenant satisfaction, and help landlords stay up to date and avoid major repairs. 4. AI in property management. Property management is another important subsector of real estate. Artificial intelligence screens managers to help tenants collect rent and maintain schedules. 5. Mortgages. Artificial intelligence is also gaining increasing adoption in financing, including mortgages. Artificial intelligence tools help detect and prevent fraud and can automate loan servicing tasks such as payment processing and customer communication. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe our channel. For more videos, keep touch with us.